Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Mr. Taufik.
How are you feeling today?
We're feeling great.
Wonderful to hear. Before we begin, let me ask. We had breakfast this morning.
I did. I had toast and eggs.
Me too. Toast and a glass of milk.
I just the coffee. Does that count as breakfast?
Coffee is breakfast.
Alright, it seems like we are starting with different ratio of food and energy. Let's make sure we're all full up for today's topics. Okay, let's now focus. I'm excited because today topic is not just about numbers. It's about relationship between numbers. We're going to explore something called ratio. By the end this lesson, you'll see ratio everywhere in math, in life, even your lunchbox.
Ratio in lunchbox, like how much food I eat compared to Adin, or how much more I finish than Eka does.
Exactly. Ratio are all around us. Now, let's define it and see what they're all about. Okay, today we learning understanding ratio, similar and dissimilar ratio. What is ratio? A ratio is comparison between one quantity to another quantity. Example: the number of apples compared to the numbers of orange. Imagine you have 7 apples and 11 oranges. We say there are 7 apples and 11 oranges. Mathematical, we say there are 7 apples to 11 oranges. For right, 7 apples common is 2, 11 orange. 7 to 11.
Mr. Taufik.
Yeah?
So it's like comparing how much of one thing there is to another.
Exactly, Chelsea. Ratio help us understand relationship between quantity.
Mr. Taufik,
Yeah?
if I have 4 jokes and Adin has only 1, can we say the ratio of my humor to hers is 41? Eka, your jokes don't count.
They count, but only if they're funny. Let's focus on the math. Yeah, Siva.
Why do we use the ratio instead of just saying how many we have?
Good question. A ratio allows us to see relationship and patterns between quantity. For example, knowing the ratio of pencil to eraser can help us find how much of each to buy for the class. Ratio can be categorized into 2 types, similar and dissimilar ratio. Let's start with similar ratio. There are comparisons between things of the same kind. For example, comparing apples to apples, you can give me another example. Yes, Felicia.
Arrange the number of books into shelves.
Perfect. That's a similar ratio. Now let's say we have 8 rows in one box and 4 rulers in another box. What's the ratio of ruler in the first box to the second?
Mr. Taufik,
Yeah, Chelsea.
it's 8 to 4, which can be simplified to 2 to 1.
Exactly, Chelsea. When comparing similar things, we can simplify ratio to make them clearer.
Mr. Taufik,
Yeah, Heka.
can I compare the number of jokes I tell in the morning to those I tell in the afternoon?
As long as about our jokes, yes, but remember a good mathematician focus on facts, not just on humor.
Eka's jokes in the afternoon are similar in quantity but dissimilar in quality.
Next slide is similar ratio comparing different things. The similar ratio compares two things of different size. For example, comparing apples to orange or money to time. What do you think we use the similar ratio?
Mr. Taufik,
Yeah, Kelly.
to compare things that aren't directly related but still need to be measured together, like pencils and erasers.
That's right. The similar ratio are useful for understanding relationship between different items. We have 2 scissors and 7 total items. And we say there are 2 scissors and 7 total items. And mathematical we say there are 2 scissors to 7 total items. Okay, let's try the example. We have 5 rulers and 10 erasers. What the ratio of rulers to ratio? The ratio rulers to erasers.
Mr. Taufik,
Yeah, Feli.
the ratio is 5 to 10 with simple parts to 1 to 2.
Excellent. Now, what happens if I ask for the ratio of eraser to rulers?
Mr. Taufik,
Yeah, Chelsea.
it becomes 10 to 5,
Yeah.
which simplifies to 2 to 1.
Okay, correct. Always pay attention to order in a ratio. Okay, let's make it more interesting. I'll divide you into pairs. One student will list 3 examples of similar ratio and the other will list the 3 examples of dissimilar ratio. Then share your answer with the class. Time on.
Mr. Taufik,
Yeah, Chelsea.
for similar ratio, we have first 3 blue pens to 6 red pens.
Yeah.
Second, 8 books to 4 books. Third, 12 apples to 9 apples.
Mr. Taufik,
Yeah, Kelly.
and for the similar ratios, we have 5 rulers to 10 erasers, 7 notebooks to 14 pencils, and 4 chairs to 8 desks.
Great work. You've understood the concept well.
Mr. Taufik,
Yeah.
can I compare how many times I make Angel laugh to how many times she ignores me? That's definitely dissimilar, Eka, because laughter and ignoring are 2 different things.
Well said, Andin. Eka, let's focus on mathematical comparison, not emotional ones.
Can I compare my attendance this month to my attendance last month?
Good question, Siva. That would be a similar ratio because both quantity are about your attendance.
What if I compare attention to my jobs?
The weight is similar because attendance and jokes are unrelated. At least in maths. Okay. Next, representing a ratio. Ratio can be represented in many ways. A. 2 pencil, 3 eraser. We can say 2 to 3. B. If accent of color, we can say 2 to 3 2. Yeah, Siva.
Why won't we choose one way over another?
Good question, Siva. Fractions are helpful in calculation, while columns and phrases are better for visualizing relationship.
So, I can say two jobs to fill out to represent my success rate.
If your jokes get lost, yeah, let's keep practice ratio. Next, simplification ratio. Simplify this ratio. You have 2 minutes.
Mr. Patrick,
Yeah, Ellie.
the answer are 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
3, 4, and 1, 2, 3.
Excellent.
Mr. Patrick,
Yeah.
what if the ratio is 1 to 0? Does that mean I'm in the wrong technique? Or maybe your guess are too big to cut?
Hey guys, remember dividing by 0 is not math? No, no. Let's focus on real number. Next slide. Right. Okay, next slide. We can use times table to simplify ratio more easily. Description: to find the result, consider the following multiplication table. To get the result, then you need to multiply the rows and columns. So you get the result you want. Let's take 12 and 16 of 12 to 16. We can using a number 4 to find the result, simplifying the ratio. We can using a number 4 to divide the 12 equals 3. 16 divided 4 equals 4. Resulting the ratio, we have 3 to 4. Okay, next question. Using times table, we simplify this. For the 12, simplify 2, 1 to 4, using the 4 times table. 5 to 13, simplify 2, 1 to 6, using the 5 times table. And now 7 to 49. Simplify to 1 to 7 using the 7 times table.
Mr. Taufik,
Yeah, Chelsea.
so using times table help us see common factor quickly.
Yeah.
Any tricks? Simplifying faster?
Yeah.
Mr. Taufik,
Yeah.
can you simplify my successor in class? My jobs like being smiles, makan, eat to one. Can I write 1 to 1 if she smiles more?
I'll smile if you stop telling bad jokes.
Yeah. Let's take the mathematical ratio, not intentional ones. Okay, now simplify this ratio. You have 2 minutes to do this.
Me, Mr. Taufik.
Yeah, Chelsea.
The answer are first 8 to 12 simplifies to 2 to 3. Second 10 to 25 simplifies to 2 to 5. And third 9 to 36 simplifies to 1 to 4.
Excellent work, Chelsea. Great job, everyone. Ratio show how different quantity relate and simplifying makes them clearer.
Mr. Taufik,
Yeah.
what the ratio of good answer to wrong one today?
For you, Eka, it's improving less iron for 10 to 0. Next time. Okay, next. Okay. Finally, well done everyone. Today we learned a lot about ratio. Let's quickly review what we have compared. First, we learned the ratio, a way to compare to quantity. Whether it is apple to orange, boys to girl, or the number of jokes Eka tells to how many people laugh at them. Ratio are everywhere.
And I keep working on improving my ratio of love with jokes.
Okay, I think the ratio is a little wrong, Eka, but don't worry. Practice makes a perfect. Then we look at 2 types of ratio. Similar ratio where we compare things of the same kind, like apples to apples. And dissimilar ratio where we compare things of different types, and the pen to like a pencil to eraser.
I think I'll start noticing ratios all around me now.
The spirit says, yeah. Ratio are really useful in everyday life. From the food we eat to how we measure things, ratio help us understand relationships better.
Simplifying ratio makes the much clear especially when covering large numbers.
Exactly, Chelsea. Simplification is key to making comprehension easier. Before we finish, here is a challenge for Chelsea. For homework, find 3 real-life example of ratio review. Whether in your home, at school, or even you're out with friends. We present a ratio in 2 forms and simplify them if possible. I can't wait to hear about our ratio you find.
So, Mr. Taufik, for my homework, can I compare my jobs to how much homework I have?
That's an interesting one, Eka. But let's keep focus on actual quantity like object or number for now. Great job today, everyone. You all did a fantastic work. Let's keep practice and we'll see how many ratio we can discover next time.
Thank you, Mr. Taufik. See you next time.
See you.
Itu tuh kan udah jadi anak ending tenang. Tahu lah. Endingnya tuh ada kalau yang gimana yang saya gagal-gagal video gagal-gagalnya tuh.
Kenapa gitu?